Today in my third grade math class, my students are exploring the area model of multiplication and relating that to properties of numbers. Third grade multiplication is a very important concept. My students today are using the area model as a strategy to learn multiplication. It's also a real-life example, and we can see examples of it around us in the tiles in the floor or ceiling tiles, so it's a real-life example as well. Today's lesson meets my math standards in measurement. The students recognize perimeter and area as attributes of rectangles, and they learn the relationship between area and multiplication.
I feel like Miss Twelve might want us to learn this if we are ever trying to display something such as a picture frame or something that involves measuring in somewhere in our house or in the outside.
If a poster might be outside and you might want to know what the size of it is and what the area is.
I think she wants us to know because when we're old, we might need to do something with area and perimeter. Like we might become a teacher, and if your boss wants you to make the kids sit on the perimeter of the carpet, then if you didn't know what area and perimeter were, then you wouldn't know where to put the kids on the carpet.
I'll know my students have it when they can communicate to me the relationship between area and multiplication. Given a certain area, students should be able to give me multiple rectangles with different dimensions that have that area. So therefore I know they have the connection between area and multiplication. The concept that we're using today, area and perimeter, can be seen all around us. We have conversations when we started about area and perimeter and where they would see area and perimeter in their real life. Students were able to talk about certain jobs or careers that their parents might hold or others might hold that deal with area and perimeter. I want my students to realize they're not just learning math for math class, but math is a life skill.